Hey everyone, Mo here, and in this video I want to show our eCom Pages software. Now before I do that, let me explain what you will see once you log into your dashboard. Basically, you will have only this menu on the left. You won't be having any of those because those are my test themes that I have been doing. So you will be seeing the dashboard, create theme, settings, help, and logout. Alright, so I set up my clock here, and we're gonna see how long it's going to take me to create a full theme from scratch from A to Z. So clock on, let's do this. Create theme, and let's name it, what else? Always listen to Mo, and I misspelled that. Hit continue. Theme editor. Alright, I'm on my home page. So all what I have to do is add a container in here, and I want to place my header and my main menu. So that's the header, and I want to place my main menu, and those you will see, those are like the large rows that you want to place something that will be like the width will be as big as the whole page. Now for the home page, I want to place another container in here, and I want to select my page tab in here, and I add a couple of collections. So those collection will be stuff that you will be using later on for let's say you want to do your stuff pick, your best sellers, deals of the day, etc, etc. And I want to show all my collection or featured collections that I will be choosing. So that's pretty much it for the home page. If you want, let's say, to add a banner or anything, all what you have to do is click add a widget, content, and you can select like image or video, and you have a WYSIWYG editor that you can place whatever you want in there, and everything again is drag and drop. So if I want like my front page collection 2 on top of 1, you can do that, etc, etc. So let's close this page with a footer. Next. So my home page just created. Let's look how long did that take. About a minute. Alright, let's now create the product page. Same thing for the product page, same principle applies. You want the header and the main menu, so let me start with that. My header, my main menu, and let me place my footer first. Again, it doesn't matter which order you do it like, but as long as it looks at the end the same. And then in here, what I want on my product page is probably 2 columns. So I will be placing my product name and the product image on the left hand side, and you can add the background text and all that. And I want to place my call to action that I can totally modify either from here or from Shopify. So you see what it says, add to cart, and it's gray. I can name it like buy it now. I can make it bigger, I can put the text white, and I can change it to maybe greenish. Done. And let me place my description. This is where I'll be writing my sales letter later on, and I would probably want countdown. I want social buttons, and maybe trust seals. For the trust seals, all what you have to do is upload an image. So let me look, where are my trust seals in here? There they are. Save. Done. Okay, so let's look at this composition here. What I want is, let's see, my product description on top of my buy it now button. Then I want my countdowner. Again, drag and drop. You have nothing like special to do. All what it is you click, you drag, and you drop. Alright, and because everyone moved to Shopify for the simple reason they want to increase their AOV, it will be a good idea to place the related products on the bottom of your sales page, and this puts an end to our product page settings. Alright, lastly, we want to do our catalog page or the collection page. Same principle apply. Again, you want to add a row, you want to place your header, you want to place your main menu, and you want to add a smaller row, and you want to place maybe product collections, like different product collections. Let's place, I don't know, 2 of them, and we want to place just products, all of the rest of our products. It's really up to you on how you want to set this up. Everything is customizable to your needs and to your liking. Same thing in here. Let's place my footer, and done. Save. Also, on my cart page I can also customize that. So on my cart page, what I want to do probably is only place well, obviously my header and my actually just my header. I don't want my main menu. Should I place it? Well, let's do that. Why? Because I can. And let me place my footer, and let's add usually what you want to add is basically remind people why they need to click that checkout button. Like you want to show them the guarantee that you're offering. I don't have any banner of that kind, so I will be just placing the same image again for the trust seals. But totally what you need to do is remind them why they need to buy this, why they need to hit that checkout button there. And as you can see, this is not in the center, so all what I have to do is align it to the center right here, and done. And put save, and I'm done with my theme. So all what I have is exit, and it took me 5 minutes with me explaining, so let me pause that and let me download my theme. Alright, theme downloaded, so let's upload that now to Shopify. Upload theme, choose a file, always listen to Mo. In case you don't yet, it would be a good idea to start listening to me. Publish theme, publish, and here we are. So let's customize this. Alright, first thing first, so let's do some branding. On the header, what you want to do is probably upload your logo, and I will refresh, so you will see the logo, and the favicon is right there on the top, the little guy there. Alright, now let's do the let's add some collections in here. Okay, so let's say you want to rename those collections: front page 1, front page 3, front page 2. All what we have to do is hit in here, and you want to edit language, so let me open that on new tab, and you hit home page. Alright, so let's say my front collection, I want to name them best sellers, and then probably I want to do today's deals, and I'm sure you people will be more creative than I am, and I don't know, staff pick, and something almost out of stock. And again, this is on top of my head, and let's save that, and let me refresh here. You'll see all this just changed. Done. And now let's just go in here and add the actual collection. So for the front page 1, what I want to do is add probably my best sellers, and you can choose how many products you want to show per row and how many product in total. So if I do like 3 by 6, you will see it's 2 rows and 6 products. So let's just do 6 by 6, and again, this is up to you on how you want to use your real estate on your home page. So let's save that, and let's do the same with the staff pick and today's deal. Again, you need to previously set up those campaigns on your Shopify, so that works. So I will just use different things here. Let me save that, so that will be 6 by 6. It's right here, and let's do 3. Let's choose maybe horse. 6 by 6 again. There it is. Let's save that, and I have my featured collections. So my featured collection is basically I want to show what collections I have. So maybe I will show my cats, my cycling, my horses, and my dogs. Actually, I'm missing the horse here. Here we go. So let me save that, and let's look at the change live on the website. Refresh, and here we are. Homepage fully customized, all done. Alright, let's go back and let's do some more customization. So the footer, again, I can place all my social widgets. Let me copy this, and let's place it. As you can tell, I'm bad at copy pasting. Same thing here, and I have all my social buttons appearing in there, and we'll be able to modify the icons later on. We're working on that feature where you just need to upload like the PNG of how the icon should look like how you like it. Alright, that's on the footer. Now the cart page, which is kind of important. Well, it is important because you will see a lot of people arguing between the drawer and the page and what converts better. It really comes down to you testing. So for you to test this back in the days like last week, you need to have either programmer or you need to know how to code, and it's gonna cost you probably like a couple $100 and a couple of hours, if not days. So this is the drawer. If you hit buy it now, it will appear as a drawer. Now if I change that to page, you'll see what will happen, and I hit buy it now, it takes me to the cart page. Again, this is what I placed earlier. What I told you, you need to remind them why they need to hit the checkout button. So this is my my banner there, and let's say people are typing on this note and they're not hitting the checkout. Just one click of a button, you take this off, boom, done, gone. Right, so let's save that. Next thing, you want to change probably the appearance. So you can change the background for your whole theme. Word of the wise, leave it as white because that converts better for me, but if you want it red, you can just change it to red and it's all red now. So let's leave that white. You can upload also a background image. So if you're saying, let's say you are in the Second Amendment niche, you want to upload probably the American flag. If you are in the, I don't know, in the dog niche, you want to upload like happy dogs and all that. After the appearance, what we can do is add probably, let's say I want to add copyright. So let's do always listen to Mo, and it will appear here. There we go. It's just a little something we added so people can just add stuff on the fly if they want. And also we are adding menus to the footer, so you'll be able to place menus within this footer. So again, fully customizable. This is what I want to show you guys. Now before I close this video, I promised you that you guys will be seeing golden nuggets. Alright, so first thing first, head over to freaksandgeeks.com and copy this sales letter. It does convert. I use it for all my products and it has been tested through the hardship of battles. Just copy it, model after it, don't copy it word for word. Obviously, all what you want to do is basically break it down. So let's do that right now. You want basically to ask people a yes question. You want them to answer with the yes. Once they do that, you want to remind them why this item is not generic, and then you want to give them like 1 or 2 features about the product that you're selling. You want to offer them securities or free secured shipping, and you want a strong call to action. Now this call to action will not work with this particular theme because it's called buy it now. So if I change that, because I can, so if I change that to add to cart right here. Now when I say click the add to cart green button, now this is the add to cart green button. So just make sure whatever you put in here, it's congruent with your text. Next thing is you want to use the same images between your ads and between your product. Just let me pause for a second here. Let me find the image that we were using for this ad. Just give me one quick. Alright, so this is the image that I have been using for that particular product. So as you can see, it's the same image. I just add the logo to my image for branding purposes on Facebook, but it's the same image, so you want it to be congruent. Next thing is you probably want to call your if you go to settings and I want to go to shipping, you want to name your shipping something like secured shipping or free secured shipping if you're doing you're offering free shipping. So free secured shipping, free insured shipping if you're offering insurance on your shipping. So don't name it like 1 kilogram shipping or heavy lifting shipping, because people see that and they are clicking on that and they know that they are buying the shipping, they are paying for it. So you want to name it something that is more appealing to people to actually click that checkout button and enter their cart or PayPal information. It's, again, this video is not scripted, so basically that's pretty much it. Cheers.